The MHW-3BOMBER Blade R3 Pro Precision Manual Coffee Grinder. Manual. Brush. Comes included with 5 interchangeable grind sieves, mesh sifter screens that swap directly into the DOT integrated grounds container. DOT, the available micron sizes, DOT included, are to 300 micrometers, 400 micrometers, 0.500 micrometers, 600 micrometers, and 850 micrometers. These sieves allow you to filter DOT out ultra-fine particles, fines, or overly coarse boulders to DOT achieve a highly uniform particle DOT size distribution tailored to different brewing methods like pour-over or espresso. Grinder features a 48 mm CNC machined SUS 420 stainless steel 7-star conical burr system paired with a DOT highly precise external DOT adjustment ring. Key technical specifications burr. Geometry and material, 48 mm. Rapidity, 3 dual blade system. Sistero DOT 7-star core. Jatishadu prism titanium DOT stainless steel core. Grind adjustment. External stepped adjustment ring. 60 clicks DOT per full rotation with 15 micron DOT adjustments per click. Capacity 20 grams DOT to 25 grams, maximum DOT, depending on roast density, DOT, catch cup, and alignment, DOT, with threads DOT, construction materials, DOT, high-grade aluminum alloy, DOT, SUS 304, SUS 420, stainless steel, walnut wood handle, DOT, grip, and silicone accents. Weight and dimensions. Weighs DOT approximately 725 grams or 1.6 pounds. DOT dimensions are roughly 200 mm DOT by 50 millimeters by 190 millimeters.